Welcome, guys, everyone. So we are going to, okay, let me start recording as well. Welcome, guys, everyone. So we are going to start using this particular website. So, and if you can go there, so we are going to use it for our coding, right? So it's going to be really interesting and it's going to be fun, right? You would be going through them and you'll be seeing what we are doing, okay? And we will go through introduction of the shell, which is where you are going to be typing your code. We will look into basic strings, right? And then we would also look into variable, what are variables, how we use variables. Then after that, we would then look into loops, right? What is loops? How do we use loops and indentation and the likes? Then after that, we would then look into if statement, okay? And then after that, we'll look into list. List is a bit advanced, okay? After the 3 weeks, we will look into list. How do you use list? What are the things that you need to look for, right? And a bit more about strings and also then nested loops as well, right? So we look into that. Then functions. Function is also a big thing that even for GCSE, you need to be able to know how to use function. Then we look into Boolean operators, and there will be some projects that we'll then look into, right? So some of you have played this particular game before, which is tic-tac anyway. So we're going to look into that. Then we then end with dictionaries, right? Okay. It's really going to be interesting, but of course challenging as well. So there's a lot to cover within this particular program anyway. So, okay, all right, let's start. First, now, I would ask Joshua to go through how to kind of log into this particular website. I've already logged in anyway. So, but Joshua, if you want to kind of share your screen on how we can log in, okay? So I'll stop sharing now.
I just need a second to get everything.
Okay, all right, cool. So, okay, while we're waiting for Joshua, right? Any question from anyone? So if you have sent the link, okay, if you can click on that, then Joshua will take us through anyway.
What if you no scratch?
Sorry?
What if you no scratch?
Yeah, this is not Scratch one. This is Python, okay?
What website do I go on again?
Okay, so I'm going to share it again, okay? So 1 minute.
I'm ready to start sharing.
All right, please, yeah. So Joshua is going to share the screen, right? Yeah.
Uh, can you see my screen?
Yes, it's coming up.
Uh, Okay.
I can't see your screen.
Okay,
I believe it's just
it's still coming of Joshua is
loading. It might just be my connection.
do you want to stop and start again?
Yeah.
Okay, while we are waiting for that, so I'm going to send the link again. All right. So you just need to go to the link. Okay. All right, guys. Just also, yeah, housekeeping rule, right? Please do not respond to anybody in the chat. Okay. Do not respond to anybody in the chat. The only person that you need to speak to me will be myself. Someone asking me a question, or then I need to respond. Please, the chat is only two-way communication, you and myself, okay? Not to address any issue with anybody. Don't respond. Even if someone asks a question, don't respond, okay? Let me respond to them, okay? Thank you. Okay, I think Joshua is having issues anyway. So let me share the screen. Right. So apologies. I think I was talking on mute anyway. So apologies for that. So I'm going to do this again. Let's refresh. Okay. Okay. All right. Apologies for that. So what I'm expecting you to do, guys, okay? So first, let's type 1 plus 2, okay? 1 plus 2. I want you to follow what I'm doing, okay? 1 plus 2. This is a shell, right? And it's the blast screen. So that is where we are going to be writing our code, okay? So you need to start that, okay? Write your code there. The first one is asking us to do is enter 1 plus 2, okay? And that equals 3, okay? Brilliant. So we got that now. So now let's, any calculation that you've done, yeah. So let's say now 4 times 3, okay? So that's another calculation that I want to do, okay? So you can also do different calculations, okay? And now, yeah, it gives me 12, okay? Can you raise your hand if you've been able to do this, right? Quickly, you just raise your hand if you're able to do so. Okay, thank you guys, okay. Okay, brilliant. I can see some people raising their hands. Yeah. So you need to type 1 plus 2. I'm going to send this, the text again. Okay. So just click on that, type 1 plus 2, and then type 3 times for anything that you want to type. Okay. Okay. All right. So if you have finished that, please raise your hand. Okay. Okay. All right. Cool. That is brilliant. Okay, so you just click on that. Okay. All right, you can lower your hands now. Let's see how many people is struggling. You are not able to do it. Okay. So thank you for that. Okay. Okay, if you are not able to do that, or you have issues, can you raise your hand or put something in the chat? Okay. Okay, it seems everybody is right. Okay, I'm going to call everyone. Okay, I need to see what you guys have done. Okay, okay, Isha. Okay, what issue do you have? Isha.
Uncle, I don't know how to use I don't know how to do the plus on the keyboard.
Okay, you can use times. Okay, all right. So you don't know how to do the plus.
Yeah.
How old are you, Isha?
13.
13. Okay, which type of laptop are you using?
I'm using Toshiba.
So you need to press shift and then equal to, okay? Press your shift, you know the shift, okay. Do you know the shift keyboard? Do you know the shift, Isha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you need to press shift and then equal to, okay? The plus is at the top of the equal sign. Can you do that?
Okay.
Or I can type it, you can copy. Have you been able to do it?
Shift or something.
Let me know if you have done it.
Oh yeah, I've done it.
Okay, cool, brilliant, thank you. So okay, all right, Aaron, okay, have you been able to do it? Aaron, Angela, quickly. All right, I need to hear from you guys. This is going to be a practical sessions. I need people, yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, so Angela. Can I have everyone that have done it to raise their hand up quickly? Okay. Everyone, I want to see who has not done it so I can be able to help them. So, okay, if you have done it, raise your hand up, okay, quickly. All right, thank you, guys. So I'm waiting for some guys, okay. Aaron, can you still raise your hand up? Thank you.
Sir, what did you say?
So I want, if you have done what I've done now, right, can you raise your hand up, okay? Can you raise your hand up? Esther, you need to raise your hand, not clap, okay? And Nehemiah, you need to just raise your hand up, okay? There's a raise button, okay? I'm waiting for Aaron, Angela, David, Desmond, Donald, Esther. Who's iPhone? If your name is iPhone, can you rename yourself, okay? Okay, all right. Can you rename yourself? Yeah, you have given me a thumb up. Can you rename yourself, okay? Donald, that is a thumb up. You need to raise your hand. Okay, Miriam, Organetega, Olalua, can you guys, yeah. Are you having issues? Right. Joshua D. So I need to know if you guys have done it. Treasure, Toluani, Teila, Roy, okay? Esther Israel, okay? So Desmond, right.
Sir.
I'm still waiting for you guys, okay? I need, yeah. Sorry, yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah, I'm done. I've done it. So you're saying if I have or not.
Yeah, you need to raise your hand so that I can know that you've done it, okay? Just raise your hand, okay? Angela, I'm waiting for you. Esther Israel. So you need to raise your hand. Yeah, thank you. That's how to do it, okay? So Desmond Adesui and Favor, okay? Rita, Toluani, Treasure, I'm waiting for you guys, okay?
Put the hand down.
You need to raise your hand up.
Oh, wait, I just put the hand up.
Okay, brilliant. Angela, I'm waiting for you. David,
Put the hand up.
Desmond, Rita, Toluani, Treasure.
Put the hand up. Raise hand up.
Hello.
Hello, Desmond.
Yeah, I've been on the app, but like I don't know how to like go on it properly.
Okay, what do you mean by that?
Like there's like I've just logged onto the app and like
Okay.
I'm just not sure what to do.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to do that quickly now. So if you just logged in, so this is what you would see. Okay. So you see something like that. Did you see that?
No.
Okay. Oh, did you see this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah. So if you see this, what you need to do, type 1 + 2 here. Okay. 1 +
Okay,
2.
about what?
Okay. And press enter. Okay. 1 + 2, press enter.
Wait, what's this hand? What the hell is this hand?
Okay, we can hear you. Okay.
Esther,
Esther, we can hear you.
Okay, come
Okay, you need to be muted. Okay.
I've done it.
All right, brilliant. So after that, you need then type any number and any mathematical calculation. Let's say 12 times 10. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Esther and Organetega is the same person. I'm just using different systems.
Okay, all right, that's fine. So, but however, I need you to raise your hand on both anyway, if that's okay. Thank you. So, okay, I'm waiting for Angela. Desmond, you need to raise your hand up if you have done it. I'm waiting for David, Emmanuel. I'm waiting for Esther, Israel. I'm waiting for Mujisola. I'm waiting for Rita. I'm waiting for Samuel, Teila, Toluani, and Treasure. Okay. Okay, all right, cool. Thank you. So now after that, if you guys have done that, can you click on next, okay? Okay, can you click on next, okay? So this is talking about shell, right? So as you go along, okay, if you want to rerun your code, right, you enter a bit of it anyway, so you don't need to worry. You can copy and paste as well, right? So sometimes it might be very, very long, right? You can copy and paste what you have. So sometimes if you have written something and you want to see what you've written before, just put arrow key, your up arrow key. You can see what you've written before, right? You can see what I've written before, right? Can you try that, okay? Press arrow key, your arrow key, okay? So let's see what that is. Keyboard, okay, just so arrow key, so that you guys know what I'm talking about, is this particular one, okay? The up one, okay? Can you press the arrow key up, okay? This one, okay? So, okay. So if you press up and down, you see the previous thing that you've done. Okay, all right, cool.
I don't really. Never mind.
Okay, all right, cool. That's brilliant. So let's go to the next one. Okay, so you're going to talk about strings now. Okay, so on your
sorry, sir.
yes, please.
What time is the web designing with AI? Because I think I
6
joined
o'clock.
the 6 o'clock. Okay, thank you.
Okay, all right. So now, so let's type hello. Okay. So you will see that, okay? Can we do that as well? Okay. So I'm going to lower everyone's hand. Can you do that? Okay. Just type hello as I've done, okay? So now what you are seeing here right now, so in Python, when you type different things, they are case sensitive. It means that like H, capital H is different from lowercase h, okay? So you need to kind of type it the same way you type it, okay? And this, what you put in the string, right, in the speech bubble, okay, is called a string, okay? This hello is a string, okay? So now, what you type now, putting them in the speech bubble, okay, or in quotes, is called a string, okay?
Hello. Hello.
Hello, yeah.
You know where you're supposed to press hello?
Yes.
I typed it in, but it's saying a name error.
Okay, because maybe you did not put string, okay? You need to put speech bubble, right? Quote, you need to put a quote first, okay? And then you say hello, okay? Okay, like that. Okay, if you do something like this without the quote, you're going to have error. Okay? So maybe that is what you typed, okay? So there's difference between this and this. They are totally different.
Please, I can't find next on the
Okay,
show
because
page.
you've not typed it correctly, right? If you have typed it, the next will come, okay? So if you have done it, it will show next for you, okay? Okay, all right. So is that good now? Okay, let's click on next, okay? So now we are combining two strings together, okay? So this is one string and this is another string, okay? So let's type that quickly, okay? Hello. Then you put plus, and another one, word. So these two are two strings, okay? And let's put them together and you press enter. It's going to give you the concatenation of those strings. So concatenation means you are adding them together, okay? You are joining them together, okay? That is what we are doing here, okay? We've joined two words together by putting plus in between them. Hello plus word is equal to hello word, okay? So now, let's see now, okay? So you can see the plus combine or joins the two string together, okay? A good exercise. Can you do this now? Okay, can we guys be muted? Thank you. So now the next thing is for us to type hello world, okay? How can we combine this together, okay? Can we put the answer in the chat for me, okay? Can put the answer in the chat, okay?
Please, someone is showing name error.
Okay, because you are not doing it properly, okay? Okay, so if you, okay, can you type what you, can you copy what you typed and paste in the chat? Okay. Okay, can we put what we've typed in the chat? Okay. Okay, I want you to do this, okay? I want to show hello world, this one, okay? The next one is this, hello world. How can we bring this one out? By combining hello and word, okay? All right, Dominic is still close because there's a space in between the O and W, right? Dominic, you are close, okay? There's a space between the hello and, because if you do that, you are going to get something like this. But we need to get something like hello, space, and word, okay? So how do we do that? Okay, can we type on the chat? Okay, Toluani, I'm coming to you quickly, okay? I didn't say you should raise your hand. If you have done it, just, yeah, okay? All right, thank you, David, okay. Okay, all right. So we are not using print, we are using concatenation, Nehemiah, okay? So yeah, Ogidi, there should be a space. This will not show a space, yeah. Okay, all right, I'm going to let you guys know what the answer is anyway. So what you need is, you need to have your string, hello, okay? And plus, okay? And another space, then you put word, okay? So that is what I am expecting from you, okay? That will show hello world, okay? Can someone tell me another way we can show the hello world with space in between, except from this one? There's another way that you can do this as well, okay? In programming, there's a lot of ways that you can do the same things, okay? Another way, can someone type into the chat another way that you can get this hello world except from this, okay? Anyone? Can you put in the chat, please?
When I typed in the hello world, it didn't give me a space between the two words.
Because you did not put space in your own. So can you see I added space here? Right, there's a space, right? So that is the reason, yeah. Okay, okay, Miriam, very close, not like that. Okay, Olalua, that is fine, but I want concatenation. Nehemiah, no, that is close. Seni, no, I want concatenation. How can we concatenate hello and word together and we have a space in between? How can we merge them together? Okay. Okay, Desmond, that is close. 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓, that is still close. Right. Okay. Yeah, 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐍, you are close. Yeah, that is one way to do that. So, and the first person that got it is 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐍. Okay, 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐍. There's another way as well. There's another way, okay, that we don't need to use 2+. Okay, 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐍, well done. That is 1+ for you. Okay. Another person. How can you do this again without having to use 2+? Does anyone know? 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐍 has got 1. Okay. Well done, guys.
So, would you put hello with the string and then plus and then a space in between the first speech mark and then world and then the other.
Can you type it? Can you type it for me, please?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay. All right. So good. Joshua, well done. That is one way. Okay. There's still one way as well. Okay.
Wait, so I'm coming.
Miriam, no, that won't work. That won't work. Israel, that wouldn't work. Okay.
So it's that.
Okay. Fermi, yes, that would work. Fermi, that somebody already said it. So yeah, Joshua is right as well. So yeah, so I think that is it. So yeah, I'm going to type it right now. One way is this, right? That you guys already know. There's hello world. Okay, let's see who else. Yeah. Samuel, no, right? Because even your word is different. So now another way to do this is hello. So with Joshua already, space, and then the space will be in between plus word. Okay. Okay, this is one way to do it as well. Okay. And we press enter, there's hello word with that. So, and also, I think David also showed us one, right? So you could also do something like this, where we have another space in between, and you put plus, okay? So this is now saying hello plus space plus word, right? So this is one. Yeah, Joju, well done. Right, that is good, okay? 𝐂𝐻𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓, that is close, but you need a space after the hello or before word. Okay. So, okay, favor, well done. That is right. Okay, that is good. Okay. So, okay, all right, cool. Okay, Joshua D, that is right as well. Well done, guys. Okay. All right. So, yeah, Israel, that is close, but not. Yeah. So, okay. All right, good. Okay, Desmond, that is right. Yeah, that is right. Okay, all right, cool. So if you have done that, yeah, can you click on next for me, please? Let's click on next, okay? Now, we are going to do the concept of variables, okay? Variables, right? So...
sorry
okay.
to interrupt, but I need a bit of help.
Okay, all right, I'm going to stop. You can share your screen. Let's see what you have.
Thank you.
Hold on, let me stop sharing. Okay, can you share your screen?
Okay, thank you. Can you see this?
Okay, it's coming up 1 minute. Yes, I can see that.
Okay, so I've been a bit behind.
Okay,
I don't know what
and
to
I
do.
think you are using a different speech bubble. Okay, you need to use the one with only one, not the double one. Okay.
That one.
Yes, that one. Okay, can you type it? Yeah. Okay. Then plus, yeah. Okay, press enter.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, that's it. So the next one, you do the same thing as well with the code. Yeah.
Hello.
No, you didn't put, is that hello? That's not hello. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So then plus, yeah, that's good. That's okay. Don't worry. I think, yeah. then you put a space. You put a space before the W.
Oh, like this,
Yes, and then you close it.
without a space.
Yes, and you press enter. That will put hello world. Do you get?
Oh, and what does that do?
So you can see it's different from the one you typed before. Hello world and the one before has got one word altogether. The second one separated them, isn't it? With a space in between.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, all right. So, okay, organizer, you have your answer. Okay, let's quickly address people that are having issues, okay? If you're having issues, can you raise your hand up quickly? Organizer, do you have, are you having issues?
It's fine, thank you.
Okay, all right. Esther, is this same person? Right. Okay, Rita. 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 Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Sir, I'm new to this class. I just came today and I've been a little behind. I'm not where you guys are. So I need some help on how to get to where you guys are.
Okay, all right. So, have you clicked on the link I sent?
No, sir.
Okay. Did you join late?
Hello, sir. I cannot hear you.
I said, did you join late?
No, sir.
So that means you joined after we've started. Okay. Can you click on the link I sent?
Okay, sir.
So, and if you want to share your screen, I can guide you quickly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. While I'm waiting for you, Esther, you got your answer?
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Okay. All right, cool. So I'm going to lower your hands, both of you guys. Okay.
Hello,
There's
sir.
Okay. I
even click on it because you don't have Instagram on the app.
Desmond, you got questions? Hello, Desmond.
Hello. So I'm already a level ahead of you guys, and I've already put a code in. I just want to know, am I supposed to run it or not?
Yeah, you can run it. Don't worry. Yeah, that's fine. So if you're already ahead of us, that's okay.
We'll change the name from Rita.
Yeah.
Okay, Rita, are you okay?
You don't have email.
You don't need to sign in. Just continue. Okay. Then you want to share your screen? Rita, do you want to share your screen?
He's talking to you. Tell him that you have not gotten there yet.
Sir, I've not gotten there yet.
Can you share your screen? That I said, can you share your screen?
You're not there yet.
I'm not there yet.
Okay, all right, no problem. So I actually wanted to help you so that if you share your screen, I can help you to get there. But okay, all right, let's move on, right? So we got 9 more minutes, okay? So now we are in the introduction of variables. Anyone that's got issues, please do raise your hand up, okay? So now variables, right? What are variables, right? Variables are used to store things in computer. So you have things that you want to store for later, right? You put them in a variable. For instance, right, our hello, we want to store it in Word, okay? For you to put it in a variable called Word, you use equal to, okay? I want you guys to type it now, okay? Type Word. That word now is your variable, okay? Is your variable because it's going to store hello, okay? And you press enter. So now we've actually stored our hello inside a variable called word, okay? And can someone explain this to me quickly, right? Anyone, you can shout it out. What does it mean? What did I do? Yeah. I just explain it now.
So
Just
I can't see.
Sash, can't see your screen.
Sorry?
We can't
can't
see.
see your
Oh, sorry. Apologies. Let me do that again. Okay. Apologies for that. Yeah. So, okay. All right. So what I did here, okay, I just typed, okay, now, yeah, I was just talking about variables, okay? Variables are used to store values, right? So now, hello is a value, right? And we want to store it in a variable called world, okay? For you to do that, you need to write world equals hello. The hello is your data, is your value, right? And you want to store it in. I remember many years ago when I was teaching this, somebody was explaining a variable to me. A variable is something that you store things inside, right? So yeah, so technically now, it means that this particular word, right, we are using it to store hello, okay? Now, my question, I have typed it here, okay, and it's fine. So can someone explain to me what I have done here, okay? Anyone?
So now, if you type word, it should come up with hello since it's saved inside Word.
All right, cool. So let's do that now, okay? Let's type word, right? And it came with hello. Thank you so much for that. Who was the person that said that?
It was me.
Ogidi. Okay, thank you. Well done, Ogidi. That is good. I think you are you got the first question. Actually, you got this one as well. So you are one of my best students today. So well done. So yeah, so
Thank
when
you.
you type word now, you have hello. So the question is like, why is it not bringing word? What's the difference between this? Right, this one, right? If I do this, that will bring word, right? Now, can you see? So what do you think is the result will be, right? When I type this, what do you think the result will be?
It would be
It will be
So can we just do a little quiz? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Put in the chat what you think is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you put in the chat? If you think the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. So I can see some 2s, I can see some 3, there's 5, there's 2, there are 2, there's 5, okay. There's 3, okay. Let's see, can someone explain why they type the number, okay? If you say 2, if you say 5, you want to explain why you chose your options.
It's 2 because you put word in those speech marks, which makes it a string, I'm pretty sure. And if you type a string, it'll come out as like the word.
Okay, all right. So why is he not coming with hello? Why do you think it's not hello? Why?
It's because like the variable, I'm pretty sure,
Okay.
doesn't have any speech marks. So if you type just word without speech marks, you'll get hello. Or if you type word with speech marks, you'll get word.
Thank you so much. Let's give Dominic a round of applause. Yeah, I think you warranted it. I'm going to give you audio one. Okay. Yeah. So you guys can give the virtual one as well. So that was good. So our variable doesn't have speech marks. Okay. But there's no quote. Okay. If you type something like this, it means that is a string. It's going to appear the same way you typed it. Okay. And it said this is the answer. Okay. Are you sure this is the answer?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Let's select that. Okay. And submit. Okay. Brilliant. That is correct. Okay. And yeah. Okay. All right. That is it. So, and the answer to this one, we should have pressed word, and that will give us hello. Okay. And now, similarly, okay, let's say we type sunshine this time around without quote, okay? So let's first try sunshine with quote. So this would give us sunshine, okay? And because it's inside a quote, is a string, okay? And if you then remove the quote and it says sunshine, what do you think that would give to us? Okay. So let's put in the chart, okay? So would that give you that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, let's put in the chart. 1, what's going to be the answer? Is it going to be 1? Is it going to be 2? Is it going to be 3? Is it going to be 4? Is it going to be 5? Quickly, okay? We can see some people saying 5, some people saying 5, some people saying 5, 5, 5, 5. Oh, you guys are really, really great. So everyone is saying 5. Okay, let's have from somebody, right? Can you explain to me why the answer is 5? Okay.
The answer is 5 because without the string it will give you like an error or something because you just put the word hello.
Okay, all right. That is good. That is good. Okay. Can I have another person? Okay, another person.
The answer is also 5 because you're writing sunshine without the speech marks, which means you're trying to make sunshine a variable.
Okay.
But sunshine doesn't have any value, so it would come up as error.
Thank you. Thank you, Dominic. Any other person?
The answer would be 5 because it doesn't really have any equal sign, not equal sign, sorry, but like it doesn't really have any like a button. Like you should put if you click on the button, it's gonna say an answer basically.
Okay. Yeah, you are also right by saying he hasn't got any equal sign before, right? So I think you guys are really, really good. Georgiou, do you want to say something? Yeah.
Yeah. Just to build off what other people said, the answer is that because without the quotation marks, sunshine is technically
Okay.
string here.
All right, brilliant. So well done, guys. So yeah, so it is not a variable. We know that a variable will have had a equal to before, and you've assigned the value inside. And it's not a string, right? If it's a string, we will have put a quote, right? So because of that, it will give you an error because the computer does not know what you are trying to do. And if it doesn't know what you are trying to do, it will shout error, 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 error. So, and that is the reason that you have the error here, okay? And let's click on that and we submit, okay? And yeah, on that note, you guys are really, really done very well. So thank you so much. And we are going to stop there and I'll give you a task to do before next week, okay? So the task is this one, okay? We are going to read up this, okay? And we are going to talk about print, okay? So now we've actually used word as a variable and read up on that. And we are going to use the print, okay? So today we've been able to do, basic string, adding a string, and we've done the variables. So we start from here from next week, okay? Sorry? Okay. So we are going to kind of do, this one, okay, variable and string, then writing variables. So an assignment for you is to read up on that, okay, so that when we start doing it, it will be easy, okay? And when I come back, I will ask you how many people have actually done it, okay? So next week, we are going to do that. Then after that, we do loops, okay? All right, okay. So this is where we stop for Python today. It's just a quick introduction. Then we'll move into something a bit challenging next week, okay?
Thank you, sir.
All right, no problem. Any question before we leave? Any question? So we're going to do the web development with AI in a moment. Yeah. Any question?
What is the assignment again?
Sorry?
What is the assignment again?
So, okay. All right. Let me share my screen once again. Okay. I will send the video as well. So let me also, I think I can stop. Let me stop recording and I would record the assignments separately. Okay, let me share the screen. and I would then, where is that? Share the screen. Okay, can we be muted, please? Can we be muted? Thank you. So, okay, the assignment for next week, okay? Let's record it.
Okay.
Okay, the assignment for next week, go to this particular link, okay? featurecoder.io/courses/ I think let's even start from here actually. Right. So yeah. So you go to featurecoder.io, click on start learning, okay? And then go to table of contents, okay? And then click on using variables, okay? So you need to look at that using variables, go through that and do the code at the in the black screen, okay, which is called the shell, okay? And once you finish, you're going to have next, go to the next. So I want you to do the one for using variable and print, writing programs and storing calculation, okay, variables. So that is what we'll do for next week, okay? All right, so then after that, we'll then move into loops, okay? So before we come back next week, ensure that you've done number 2, number 3, and number 4, okay? And when we come back, it's going to be like a quick 5 minutes, then I'll ask you to show me your screen, what you've done. So before that, I want you to look into that, okay? And for those guys that have not done today's one, you can start from beginning, right? Do like a refresher, introduction of the shared navigation, and introduction of the string and adding string, okay? Variables, okay? All right, thank you.
No.
Okay.
Welcome.
Okay, Del. Okay, all right. So, Del, you need to take off your camera. Okay, please. Thank you. Hold on. Let me
Excuse me, sir.
in. Give me 1 minute. So let me ensure that nobody is able to share the camera. Del, we can see you. Hold on.
Hello?
1 minute. Okay, what was the question?
I am new here, so
okay, all right. Okay, don't worry. We're going to kind of look into that now, okay?
What did he say? The question was?
We are going to start the next one now, okay? Which is web development, which is the first class, okay? I'm going to mute everyone, okay? Okay, all right. So now we are going to do the web development with AI, okay? Last week, we gone through how to set up your environment, okay? And we are using Claude, okay? We are using Claude. Can I have a show of hands? How many people have been able to set up Claude? Okay. You've logged in. Yeah. Thank you, Jordan. Thank you, Samuel. Thank you, Joshua. Okay. So you've been able to log in, okay? Anela, Jasper, Gidi, Inolua, Aaron. Okay, you guys, that is good, Roy. So, okay, if you have been able to log into Claude and everything is fine, just raise your hand, okay? Donna, that's good. Sorry, 1 minute, I'll come back to you. Okay, Seni, okay. We have a lot of people. Yeah, that's brilliant, okay? All right, I'm going to lower your hands, okay? And if you have not, okay, can you raise your hand up if you have not and you're having issues? Okay. Okay, Ronan.
I have.
Okay, all right. So we have Dell. So you guys have not done that. Okay, all right, cool. So we're going to go through it quickly, okay, for today. Right. So hold on.
Look.
Okay, all right. Give me 1 minute. So
Sir, what will we be doing now, sir?
Yeah. Are we going to be making our own apps?
I think so, but just relax.
But we can just use Bait for the pod to just make our own apps.
Yeah, I use that all the time.
okay, guys, can you be muted? If you are not muted, I'll put you in the waiting room. Okay. All right. So we are going to start. So yes, so like some people are asking, yeah, you are going to make your own app. Today we are going to make the first app. So what is going to happen? We'll make one app together. Okay. Then after that, so next week I would want you guys to think about the app that you are going to make. But we would let you know the prompt to use and how you are going to make it. So it's going to be easy, okay? And okay, and like I said last week, this is an event that your parents should be aware about before you start to use AI, okay? If your parent is not giving you the go-ahead, please don't do so, okay? So your parents should give you the go-ahead to be able to use AI, okay? And they've also enlisted you here, okay? So I'm going to share my screen for those guys that missed the last week one, right? And you don't know how to install Claude, right? And Joshua will go through that with us, okay? And then after that, would then help some people, okay? And then we'll go, okay? All right, let me share my screen. Okay, Joshua.
Okay, we're going to quickly go over signing up to Claude again. If you can go to the next slide, please. Yeah, so we're going to be going over signing into Claude, which we will be using to develop your own website using it. So yeah, signing into it. So you'd want to search up Claude in your browser. And then you get this screen. You can continue with Google if you're already logged into it. But you would need your parents' email for this. So you want to enter your parents' email in the enter your email section, then press continue with email. Next slide, please. Once you've done that, you would want to get the verification code from the email and click verify. If it hasn't appeared in the inbox, you can click try sending again, then you can check it. Make sure you're using your parents' email, as only accounts over the age of 16, I believe, can use Claude. So just make sure you have your parents' permission before this. And if you put in the wrong email, you can press change email address. It will then send you back, and you're able to change the email to the right one. And next slide, please. So then it's best that you read through the terms and acceptable use policy, or at least have your parent there to check it for you. You can agree to the consumer terms and acceptable use. You do not need to agree to the second.
Hello, everyone.
Please can everyone mute themselves? Thank you. You don't need to agree to the second option, as it's simply going to be as it would simply be sending emails to you. So don't agree to the second option, only agree to the first one with a parent present. Then you can press create account. Then you'd want to enter your parent's birth date. And since you must be over 16 to create an account with Claude, to ensure you have their permission before this, then you can press continue.
And not, of course, you need your parent to do this, okay? For those guys that came last week, your parent actually did it for you. So please don't do this behind them. They need to do this for you, okay? And you need to, please. This is very, very important, okay? All right, thank you.
Then you'd want to select the free plan. If you talk over your parents and they decide you need any of the other plans, then that's with you. But for everything we're doing now, you don't need the free plan unless you're doing more than what we're doing here. And it allows you if you want to download it, or you can press skip. At the bottom right of the screen, there's a screen that goes up after you press the free plan. You don't need to download Claude on your device, but you can if you want to. Otherwise, you can just press skip to go to the web version. And then you'd want to enter your name. You don't have to use your actual name. You could use an alias or just say any other thing. Don't have to put your actual name. It's simply what Claude will greet you as or call you.
Sorry, can you start from the beginning? I didn't hear you.
Then once you get here, you can select student as the role. You can select design or software engineer as we're doing web development, then continue to the first chat page. So you just press student, you press that little arrow, you scroll down, then press student, then you can just press continue. And it will take you to the first chat page. I think you might have missed a slide.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Joshua, for that. Yeah.
One other thing. Once you press student, it will ask you what kind of course you're doing. You can just do the fourth option, which is like you're doing your own course.
Okay, all right, thank you. Okay, all right, so that is it for now. So for those guys, right, if you have not kind of signed up for Claude, can you raise your hand quickly so we can quickly help you before we start in 3 minutes, okay? And I need your parents to be there as well, okay? Feromi, have you done it or not?
I have not done it, sir.
Okay, can you call your parents, okay? Donald, I need your parents to be there, okay? So, yeah. So I need everyone's parent to be there. I need you to speak to me that your parents are there, okay? Okay, all right. So
So I have my parent here.
okay, all right. So okay.
So I have a question.
Oh yeah. Okay, go ahead, please.
Okay. What if I have like brothers and we all have the same parent email?
No, I still need your parent permission for you to be.
I know, but if we all put in the same email and we all get like different verification codes, do we all have to use the same verification code?
No, you can use the same if you already registered. That's fine. So you only
So on 3 different devices.
Yeah, you can do that. That's fine.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Okay. All right. Cool. So what I need, okay, Fermi, Donald, you have by your parents as well. Okay. Donald, Bethel, Joju. Olalu Akiton, thank you. Yeah. And Samuel, Jaden, Miriam, Miracle, Jasper. All right. So I need your parents' permission for I need at least your parents have to talk to me.
It was just a question, sir.
Okay, what's the question from?
Accidentally skipped the one I accidentally pressed set up later for the roles.
Okay, I think you should be fine. You don't need to worry, right? As long as you can log in, so that's fine. Yeah.
Hi, greetings, parent here. Sorry, we've gone beyond the student role. We've picked the student. So what kind of work do you do? It says build me a study guide, make a study plan. Sorry, we missed that.
Below it all, there should be
my own
option in grey text, which is like create your own course or something.
Okay, I have my own topic. Is that it?
Pardon?
Is it the I have my own topic or
yeah, you can select that one.
Okay, I have my own topic. All right.
Hello, sir. Can I
Okay.
please share screen to show if I'm on the right page?
All right, cool. Yeah. Okay, yes, go for it quickly. Right.
Are you talking to me?
Hello, Mr. Deji.
Yes, please.
This is Feromi Ola and Judge's dad. What do you need me to do, please?
So he needs to log into Claude, right? And for that, or if you have not registered to Claude, you need to register and then give him permission to use it, okay?
I have a paid version of Cloud.
Yeah, just give him permission to do so. And let's
use Cloud, or each of them or one person.
Sorry?
I just share with them or what?
Yeah, just share with them. That's fine. Yeah, just share your login details with them. Let them log in. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Good evening, Mr. Deji.
Good evening, yeah.
This is Olalu Akiton's mom.
Okay.
So I'm giving him permission to use Cloud.
Okay, all right, thank you. So, okay, Joju, I'm waiting. Desmond, Allah, okay. And Samuel.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm stuck.
Okay, all right. So one after the other, quickly. We're going to in 2 minutes because we need to finish this now. Anyway, it's gonna be quick. So okay, there you are fine. I think you are where I want you to be. Okay. You can stop.
Okay, sir. Okay,
yeah,
sir.
you can stop sharing. Bethel, do you want to share your screen? Okay.
I'm not sure what we should do. I'm kind of stuck.
Do you want to share your screen? Can you share your screen quickly because we need to move on? Okay.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Quick question. What are you waiting for us for?
So I need to help people that are having issues. Okay.
To log into Claude.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
I'm already on them. I'm already on it though. Where
Okay.
like
All right, so that's fine. Then wait, let's wait for the other. So if you can see something like this, then you are good. Okay, that is what we're going to do today.
Wait.
Okay? So
Oh yeah, then I'm okay.
okay, all right. So if you can see something like I'm seeing you right now, then you are fine. So what we are going to do, we are going to ask the AI to
I have a problem.
Okay, what's the problem, Shiri?
Can I just share my screen?
Okay.
Sir, can I ask a quick question?
Yes, please go ahead.
So I already have my own account. Is it okay if I just use that one?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Does it?
Okay, go ahead, please, quickly.
Are we supposed to be in Claude right now?
Yeah, you need to open Claude, okay?
Okay.
So hold on, guys, one after the other. So, and if you need to talk, you need to raise your hand. I'm going to look, okay? So raise your hand and I'll call you, okay? Chidi, okay, what is it? Okay, Chidi, you need your parent. You need your parent. Can I hear them, please?
Yes, I've got a parent right here.
Okay, can I hear them?
Good evening, Deji.
Good evening. Okay. So you need to help him to log into Claude, right? So I'm assuming that he started. I don't think this is Claude. Use AI. Okay. You need to type Claude at the URL. Okay. So let me send the URL again. Okay. Is Claude.ai. You click on that. Okay. If you are having issues, can you do that? Okay, as well.
Can you see that?
So Claude.ai. Okay, that's what you need to click on.
Claude.ai. Can you see what he sent?
Okay, I got it.
Yeah, click on
okay.
Excuse me, if you pass, does it say type your message?
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So if I'm going to send a screenshot now. If you're here, so you are fine. We need to move. Yeah.
Click on it.
Yeah.
So is this the class?
Guys, please, I need to call you if you need to talk. Okay, right. So quickly, otherwise you will be rowdy. Okay. So I've sent a screenshot to you now. So that screenshot is what you need to get. Once you already get
I'm pretty
that
sure we need to
screenshot,
use
then you are fine. Okay.
Email. Yeah. Question, what's next? You're thinking about for bigger missions.
Okay. All right. So yeah, you click on continue with Google. Okay. Can everyone go through that? If you are still having issue, continue with Google. Okay. Click on that and then put your parents' email. So then that will be it. Okay.
What should we do after?
So I will let you know now. Okay. Can
I'm
everyone
sorry,
be
but mine is not showing anything.
Samuel, I'm going to put you in the waiting room. Okay. You know why?
Why?
Because I asked you guys, if you want to talk, you raise your hand up and I'll call you. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So you need to raise your hand, otherwise you will be rowdy. Okay, yeah. Okay. We need to move on now. We got only a few minutes. Okay, we need to move on, right? So, and yeah, you guys can do that later. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so quickly, Olalua Kiton, you got your answer up. Imolelua, you got your answer up quickly. What's the question?
I don't have I have the question. It's about after this class, is there like, do you have a YouTube channel like where I can review today's lessons?
Yes, we do. Right.
May I know what it's called, please?
Yeah, PT Coda. Right. So
PT Coda. All right, thank you.
Mr. Deji.
Yes, sir.
For Emmanuel, permission granted.
Okay, can you
What did we do after?
So I'm going to tell you now.
That.
Okay, all right, cool, thank you.
Yeah.
So I'm going to send you guys the PT Coda URL, okay, on chat. So, and the video will be placed in there anyway. So, and the video for the last week also is there for those guys that are struggling with setup. Okay, just click on that, and also please subscribe. We have 530 right now. I will ask the parents also, yeah, help these little guys as well. Subscribe to the link. Okay, so okay. And okay, so if you are not having any issues, can you lower your hands? Okay. Shidi, can you stop sharing so you can do that? Yeah, okay.
What should we do?
So I'm going to send it to you. Okay. Okay, so once you have your okay, I'm going to share my screen now. So in a moment, then you will see. So, okay. Okay, all right. So let me start recording. So when you are here, you are good. Quickly, if you want to go to 𝐂𝐻𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓 YouTube channel, you will see the video here. So this is the introduction that we did last week anyway. So you can look at them anyway. So you can see introduction to Python 2, then also that one. So this is the introduction to web development that we did. Also, you can look into that anyway. So if you are still struggling with setting up Claude, you can watch this video, right? So yeah, so those are the things you can, yeah, we've done other videos before, many years. Yeah, you can see even 5 years. Yeah. So, okay. All right. So let's go back to the Claude. If you are here, what you need to do, right? Click on this Sonnet 5, right? I don't want you to use a lot of credits, okay? Click on effort and click on low effort. We are not in a rush, okay? Click on effort low, okay? Okay, so otherwise you waste your credit. So I'm going to type something that I have already kind of prompt here. So, okay. So as a young developer, I want to create a website for an organization called 𝐵𝐶 that trains young people from age 6 to 10 in coding. The courses are web development with AI, JavaScript with Scratch, Python, game technology, robotics, and cybersecurity. Create all the pages and have them linked together. I'm going to send that to the chat, okay? You put that in your prompt, okay? Okay, so copy that and put it as I am right now, and then click on this send message, okay? And then let's see the magic, okay? All right. So as you are waiting, any question? As you're waiting. So hold on. Like I said, if you need to speak, what do you need to do?
Sorry, my bad.
You raise your hand up, then I'll call you, okay? All right. So, okay. Oluwakiton Okola. I'm going to lower your hands. Okay, Joju. Okay, Nathan. Okay. Desmond.
Yes?
Okay, you got your answer?
No, not yet.
Okay, all right, cool. So, Bethel?
I forgot how to go on lower thing. I was on Claude AI when you were telling us what to do.
So I don't get your question, sorry. You forgot what?
I was on Claude AI when you were telling us what to do.
Yeah, just copy. I've sent the text now, right? Just copy that and put it in the text box at the top here, okay? Check your chat, okay? There's a chat I've sent, okay? I'm going to put it again, right? So, yeah. So we are creating a website for 𝐵𝐶, okay? So, and as a young developer, which you guys are, we are doing that, okay? And you can see what it's trying to do now. It's trying to create the structure. It has done the design. It's creating the style, okay? All right, the style is like a CSS, how design is going to be. So also JavaScript for the mobile as well. That's what he's trying to do now. Right. Okay. Fermi, you got your answer?
Never mind, I got my answer.
Okay. All right. Cool. So Chidi.
Okay, so I'm almost at the end of creating my account. It says where I am. Pick a role. Pick a role so Claude can tailor your experience.
Okay, pick
It says
student. Pick student.
Yeah, I've picked student. Now it says break down a concept, debug my reasoning, quiz me on my notes, or I have my own topic.
You have your own topic?
Okay.
Okay, all right. So then after that thing, that will be you, right?
It's still loading. It's not giving me my answer.
Yeah, it would take a while because we are using the low. Let's say, okay, change that to medium, right? And see if it's going to be faster anyway. So,
okay.
So now it's creating contact page, right? Because I don't want you guys to waste all your credits. Yeah, you can try this several times anyway So because if you go with the highest one, your credits might finish on time anyway, right? So there's different credits, okay? So if you are trying your own at home, I would say go with the low one, okay? Because that low one will take a while, but it will not use a lot of your credits, okay? I'm going to fast this one forward quickly, okay?
Mine is done.
Okay, brilliant.
And I used medium.
Okay, we are still waiting. It will take a while, okay?
As a young developer,
Yes, sir, it's done.
I
Okay, well done. That is good, okay? So who is done? I think this is finishing now anyway, yeah. Okay, all right, cool. Looks good. Now copying everything to output and presenting. So, okay. So I think we are ready. So what you need to do now is going to copy everything. So that is your website ready, okay? So, okay, so download everything, okay? We are going to download everything, okay? Click on download everything.
wait for me. I'm still on the writing part.
Okay, yeah, you can catch up on that, okay? And the video will also be available. Anyway, click on download, and that is it downloading here, okay? And okay, and click on that.
Is the video of this so after I could do it?
Yes, the video will be there. We'll send the video on the Telegram. So, okay. So let me send the Telegram chat. It's PT Coder. If you go to Telegram, search for PT Coder on Telegram, okay? And your parent can get the video from there as well, okay?
So mine is done, but
Okay,
I
that is
used to
brilliant.
go.
Okay, so I'm going to put the, okay, that is a link to PT Coder, okay? And now we are done. So,
You made me miss it. Who's explaining it?
and I'm going to bring it out now. So once you are done,
Thank you.
okay, so now this is what we have, right? You have your file here, okay? So, and you can right click on it, okay? Right click and extract all, okay? Extract all. Once your file is downloaded, go to where it's downloaded. If you don't know what you need to do, call your parents to help you with this one, okay? Right-click on the folder and click on Extract All, okay? Once it's extracted, it's going to bring something out for you to extract, okay? So it's opening that on my new screen. Just click on Extract, okay? Extract, and it's going to extract everything, okay? And this is it for me now, okay? And I have it, okay? So we are going to start with index.html. That is one that you need to click on, okay? Click on the index.html, okay? Click on that.
Excuse me.
This is our website. 1 minute. This is our website. As you can see, you can click around. It's creating a full website for us, actually, with some words about, PT coda, anything. So we can then later improve it with different prompts, talk about what we need to do, right? And it's going to change that for us anyway. So this is what we're going to do today, right? And so next week, I want everyone to be able to share their screen on what they've been able to do. And I will take some moment to take some questions, okay? Okay, all right. So let's see who has been able to do it. So let's see if you want to share your screen quickly, okay?
Not me, but so
Okay.
there's a video.
1 minute. I said if you want to talk, what do you need to do?
Put your hand up.
Thank you. If you do that again, I'm going to put you in the waiting room, okay? All right. So I'm going to lower everyone's hand first, right? I want to see those people that have been able to do it. Raise your hand, then you can share the screen, okay? Okay, if you have done it and it's showing like the one I shared, okay? Miriam, do you want to share a screen quickly? Miriam? Okay, so you've not downloaded, you need to download it, okay?
Sir, I did.
Okay,
What do I do
so
next
click on that
now?
download, click on that, click on the zip. So go to the folder, you need to go to the folder and then,
Sir, what
and
folder?
you need to unzip, okay? You need to unzip your folder, okay? Can you go to the download folder for me, please?
Where, sir?
So can you call your parents, okay, quickly, right?
Sir, my parents is with me.
Okay, can you ask them to go to your download folder, please?
Sir, please, where can I find the folder?
Is your parent there? Who's talking?
Okay, take that.
So I'm going to put you in the waiting room, okay?
Sir, if you didn't catch up, can we go on PT Coda and watch the video?
Yes, you can.
Sir, what is download tracker?
So hold on. So you guys have got a lot of devices there. So can you be muted quickly? Okay. So okay.
Sir, I don't know where the download.
So Miriam, do you have your parents there?
Yes.
Okay, can I speak to them?
Yes, sir.
Hello. I can't hear them. Hello.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
All right. Can you go to the download folder, please? On the computer, on the file explorer. Yeah.
I am there, sir.
Okay. You will see a file called file, right?
Yeah, it's there.
Okay. Can you right click on it? Can you stop sharing and share the full screen for us? Because we can only see web. Okay, can you stop? I'm going to stop the sharing. So you need to share the full screen. Okay.
That, how do I share the full screen?
Your parents should know. You need to, when you click on share, right, then click on screen, okay? Click on entire screen, screen one, whatever that is anyway, yeah.
Oh, wait, is it one of these? Oh,
Okay, all right. So can you right click? Can everyone go through this, okay? If you've downloaded your file, go to the download folder, okay? The download folder is as it is right now, right? You go to that download folder, right click. Can you right click for me? Everyone, please, can you do that? Right click, then click on extract all. Joshua, they say, you said that it's not showing properly. You need to do this, okay? Okay, extract all, and then you click on extract, okay? You click on extract, okay? So this should be what you're looking for. Then after that, can you click on index, the last one? Double click on that, and that should bring your website for you, okay? Select your any browser, Chrome, you can select on Chrome, right? And that should open the full website.
That.
Okay, it doesn't look great. Okay, what I'm going to ask you to do, right? Do the prompt again, okay? And put it on the medium, okay? Go back to the cloud again, put the prompt there, okay? And let it do another one, okay? So it doesn't look good, right? It doesn't come out yet as I want. Okay, so let's see what you've done. Yeah, medium, right? Okay, put the prompt again, right? Okay, all right. So let's see. Okay, when you are finished, let me know. Anyway, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all right, cool. So okay, Adediwura. Adediwura, you got your answer?
Yeah.
Okay, Mayomikun, that's good. Well done. Right. You want to share your screen, Adediwura?
Yes, please. Do good.
Okay, we can't see your screen, Adediwura. I'm going to call another person. Are you sharing your screen? Okay, Nathan?
No, just talk.
Click on it twice and it will open.
Okay, Jaden is asking, how do you catch up? So I'm going to send the link to you. So in a moment, and in fact, it's live anyway. So the link will be posted on the YouTube and you can catch up later. Okay.
Sir, I've already downloaded the index, but
Okay.
it's not looking how it's...
Do you want to share your screen?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
You got some devices that you need to, okay. You need to move the screen, okay, because no, you need to go down, okay. Can you scroll down? You need to download everything together, okay. Yeah, that's what you need to do, okay. Can you download that and come back, okay? So download that and then, yeah. So everyone should click on download all, okay? So then after that, go to your download folder, okay? Is your parent there? Do you know how to go to download folder? Click on at the bottom of your screen. There is yellow folder there at the bottom of your screen. Yeah. So, okay. So can you right click on that file? Yeah, right click on that for me, please. Right click. I didn't say click, right click. Go back. So right click, okay? Right click. Not that one, the file, not that one, not the index. Okay. Yeah, any one of those. Right click.
Because I'm like,
sorry, Adediwura, how old are you? How old are you, Adediwura? Hello. Okay, all right. We'll come back to that. Can you continue sharing your screen anyway? Because that is why I put age limit on this particular course, so that we don't, yeah, I'm expecting some people to know something. And if you have to be saying this, it would take a while. Anyway, go to your file explorer again, go to that yellow folder again, right? Right click for me, right? And extract all down. Yeah, that one, not up. Yeah, you've missed it. Yeah, extract all. Right. Then click on extract. Okay. And then go to index. Click on that index, double click on that index. Okay. That is you. Okay. Yeah. So that is the full website. As you can see now, you've created this website from AI. Okay. And you can click around. Okay. So yeah, and it's totally different from what I created. So but it's the same as well. Anyway, yeah. So okay, all right. So let's move to the next person quickly. Right. So okay.
When is this finishing?
We are finishing now.
Excuse me.
Okay, Fermi, quickly.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna share my screen now. I'm coming. So I've done it.
can you see my screen?
Okay, all right, yeah. So well done. This is good, right? But we need it to be better than this. No, actually, you've not downloaded it. You need to download it, okay?
I have.
No, you're still showing it on the
This is it downloaded, sir.
No. You are still showing it on Cloud, okay?
This isn't cloud. This is it downloaded.
Okay, can you go to the downloaded folder for me, please?
Yeah, this is it.
No. Can you go to your download folder for me?
Download folder. Where?
Yeah. On your screen, on your desktop. Okay. How old are you, Fermi?
Bethel.
How old are you, Fermi? Okay, all right. Jasper.
Okay.
So you guys, if you're not 10 years old, right, you need your parent beside you. Okay, you need your parents beside you because there's something I'm expecting you to do and you are not able to do it. Okay, all right. So well done. Yeah, Jasper, this is good. Yeah, anyway, so yeah.
I'm not 10 years old, so can I watch the video on PT Coder, then help then ask my
Bethel,
parents if
I'm going to put you in the waiting room. Do you know why?
because I was talking.
Yeah, exactly. If you need to talk, you need to raise your hand up. Okay, then I'll call you when it's your turn. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. All right. Jasper.
Yeah? No, okay, the act button is
I've
not
already screen shared. No, haven't grown yet.
Sorry?
The other one is working, but that particular one is not working. It's giving a whole
I've already screen shared.
Okay. Bethel, I'm going to put you in the waiting room. You are disturbing my class. Is already screen shared?
Yes.
No, I'm not seeing any screen shared.
I'll do it.
Okay. All right. So, okay. So what we are going to do, right? Because we need to move into the next one. Okay. So, okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. Well done. This is good actually. Right. So you can see you've got a full, website there. Anyway, so you can click on home. Can you click on the home and click on courses? Yeah. Okay, that is brilliant. This is a new design, right, which is really, really good. Anyway, so well done. So you can improve it. We're going to improve it as we go along anyway. So yeah, so well done for that. Anyway, yeah. So okay, all right. So okay, we after the class, I will still give some time for everyone to talk. So I need to move on to the next one quickly, right? So which is the for the younger guys anyway. So we're going to do their setup quickly. Okay. So then we start their coding next week. Okay. All right. Cool.
Daddy.
Guys, which one is mine?
Okay. All right. So if you still having issues, right, we are going to wait. I'm going to help you anyway, right? So and to address it, okay. But we are going to finish in the next 5 minutes, but I need to address the younger guys, so that we can start their training next week. Okay. Okay. For this, we are going to use Scratch. Okay. And Joshua will share the screen, will tell us what we need to do, right? So this is for those guys age 6 to 13, okay? And this is what we are going to do, okay? Age 6 to 13, right? So this is what you need to follow, okay? Joshua, let me know when you're ready. I can start recording.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Once you've logged into Scratch, which I'm going to assume you've all done so far, if you haven't, you can check the videos on our YouTube channel. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by this. You can then go up here and press Ideas. and it'll take you to the tutorials. So we're going to quickly go through the getting started tutorial. So once again, homepage, you go to ideas, then the getting started tutorial. If you've used Scratch before, you probably won't need to do this. So we'll go through this quick video here. I just need to ensure that you can hear. Okay.
With Scratch, you can make your own stories, games, and animations. Let's start by grabbing a move block. We can click the block to run it. There are many other blocks to choose from. Check out the different categories. Let's go to the sound category and grab a play sound until done block. I'll snap this onto our move block. When do we want these code blocks to run? Add an event block on top to start the code. I'll add the when green flag clicked block. You can easily reorder or delete these blocks at any time. Add as many characters as you want to your project and code each one. Check out the tutorials page for ideas and inspiration.
Okay, that's just the video. So what you'd want to do is, there's all these different parts of Scratch. We're going to be going to the motion, then just grabbing move 10 steps. But you're able to follow along with this as well if you ever get stuck. Then we're going to add a say block, which is in looks. So we're going to grab this one and put it underneath the move block. So it'll move 10 steps first, then say hello for 2 seconds. Then we'll click the green flag to start it. And we need to grab the events one, because as you can see, when I press green flag, nothing happens. You can grab the when green flag clicked, and then put it underneath, so that when it's clicked, and move 10 steps and say hello. And there's more tutorials you're able to try yourself. So if you feel like it, you can explore forward before we go through these next week. So yeah, it'll move 10 steps forward and say hello. One thing to note is that it doesn't reset it back, so if you keep on clicking it, it can go off the screen. So yeah, that's the first tutorial.
Yeah, so thank you, Joshua. Thank you for that. Yeah. Okay. So we are going to kind of fully start this one next week. We're going to fully start that next week. Okay. So just ensure that if you are age 6 to let's say 13, and you are interested in learning coding, right? So it's going to be building blocks. We are going to use that for the purpose of the coding. So you're going to be learning coding while you are building those blocks. The little concept, you can see move forward by 10 steps. In coding, we call that looping, right? So, but for you, you don't need to know about what looping is, right? But you just need to know that how can I move 10 steps, right? So you just go 10 steps anyway. So that is what we will look into, right? So, okay. And this is the end of today's session, right? So, but before we go, I just want to ask if anyone has got any questions. We're finished now, so I can help anybody that's got issues. So you can raise your hand and I would answer your questions, okay? And if that is okay, all right. So, okay.
Excuse
Del,
me.
please. Adesiri, I'm going to put you in the waiting room. Okay, I need to call you, then you need your mute, okay? Okay? Del? Del, okay, I'm going to lower your hand.
Yeah?
Not Daniel, I said Del, okay. Okay, Clementina?
And Claude, it says my questions for today is finished. Is the video going to be posted on YouTube or only on Telegram?
It's going to be posted on YouTube, but I would then send the link on Telegram. Okay.
Okay.
No problem. Yeah. Okay. So Anna Lucia.
So, like the little ones are not starting theirs today. They're just doing like a starters.
Sorry?
So are like the little ones age 6 to 13, are they starting theirs today or like doing it next week?
So the little one is one we just did right now, the scratch, right? To go through introduction of that. Okay. So the video will be online. They need to kind of get that. Okay. So then from next week, unfortunately, the cloud take a lot of time for people to get ready. So but next week going to have full 30 minutes for them to practice. Okay. But before next week, they can watch the video of the little one that we did today. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓, please.
So after I've downloaded all, what next should I do on cloud?
Okay, do you want to share your screen? Let's see.
Okay, sir.
Okay, while we're waiting for that, Daniel Adesina. Daniel?
Yes. Hello.
No.
You stop sharing, okay, if you are. Okay, Daniel, sorry, I think my network was bad. I couldn't hear you. What was the question?
You watch the video now.
Huh?
Don't worry, just say don't worry that you watch the video.
I watched the video.
Okay, all right, no problem. So yeah, the video is available. We'll put it later. Let's say in the next 2 hours. You go to the PT Coder. I will put it there anyway. But it's also streaming live anyway. Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Okay, 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓.
I'm coming, sir.
Okay. Joshua.
Yeah, expert.
Joshua
I don't.
Dapa. Joshua.
Can I show you what if my website is okay?
Okay,
Can
all
I
right.
share my screen?
Go for it.
Share.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, while we're waiting for Joshua, Lemwe.
Share.
I wanted to ask if my website's on this okay too.
Okay, all right, cool. Okay. Okay, all right.
DG. My website.
Okay, can you scroll down? Let's see.
Scroll down. He's asking you to scroll down.
Yeah, I think, yeah, it's fine. You've got a full website there anyway. So, yeah. So when we meet next week, we can improve it as well. So well done. So scroll to the top. Let's see if it's connected. Right. Hold on. I don't think you extracted it. Did you extract it?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, it doesn't look like something else. Go back to the download folder for me, please.
Click on here. Click that. Scroll up all the way.
No. Download folder. Download in your download folder.
Okay. Okay. Click here.
When do we finish?
We finished. We already finished. If anyone that wants to go can go now. We finished, okay? I'm just helping people, okay? So
yeah. That's the one. Right click on this one. Right click. Right click and then extract all again. Extract.
Need to show him.
Esther, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room because I didn't ask you to start sharing. Okay.
Great. Show him this. Tell him that you are here.
Okay. All right. Click on the index for me, please. Click on the index.
Click on it. Click. Double click.
Okay. All right. Brilliant. Yeah. So this is better because that one you are opening in a different place anyway. I don't know what
guys.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So this is good anyway. So we can improve it next week. Okay. All right. So click on about, click on courses. You can see that's a full website. Click on about. So that is the okay. So that is about of all the courses, and that is a good. Well done. So that is brilliant. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, cool, no problem.
Beautiful.
So, all right, so let's go with okay, Del, you.
You're the one who sir, so which scratch are you talking about, and where do we get it?
Which what? Sorry.
Which scratch are you talking about? Like Scratch Junior or this scratch? And where do you get it?
Okay, so I would say you need to watch the video. Okay, is your parent on Telegram? Okay.
No.
So ask them to join the Telegram chat. Okay. So I will send the video to them and they can watch the video from there. It talks about, I think we've actually done the video on how to download Scratch. Okay. So, and I'm going to put the link as well here. Okay. So then you can register. Okay. All right, quickly.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, all right. So Sin Soko, is that Sin Soko? Right.
No, it's Chichi.
Chin Soko. I'm so sorry. Yeah, Chin Soko. Yeah, thank you.
My Claude is saying that I run out of questions to ask. Okay,
that means you've used it a lot, right? So that's why I was asking guys to use the low one, right? So maybe you use, How many questions have you asked?
I don't know, but I was trying again because it didn't look like the one that you were displaying on the screen.
Oh, okay. So you can wait for a few more minutes. Okay. It's going to tell you when it's going to be available, maybe in the next 1 hour or 1 day. Then you can try again. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. No problem. Yeah.
Bye.
Cheers. So, okay. Chidi, please. Chidi.
Okay, it's time for me to share my screen.
Bye.
Okay, as you're waiting, Lemwe, any question?
I just wanted to check if this down if the files are okay.
Okay, all right, cool. Okay, all right, Chidi, I think you're fine. This is brilliant. This is great. So well done. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. Okay.
Thank
well done, Chidi. Yeah. So, okay, Lemwe, do you want to share your screen? All right.
Can leave now.
Yeah.
Look, I am. Turn it off.
Okay, Lemwe. Okay, all right. So it's not really, I think you can improve it. Okay. So go back to, let's see what.
Why? Hello? Hello?
Okay. So you can rewrite it again and say improve the code, right? Yeah, make it more beautiful. Okay, we're going to talk about this next week. Okay, but this is a good start anyway. So, and let's see, can you go to your file explorer for me? Go to your file. Okay, open your file where you have your download for me, please. Okay, all right. Expand. Can you expand it for me, please?
Hey.
Okay, all right, cool. So, okay, all right. I think you did not download it properly, okay? Go back to Claude, okay? Okay, can you scroll to the end to where? Okay, yeah. No, up a bit, up, go up, up. Yeah, yeah. So you see download all. Yeah, click on that. That is the one that you need. You need to download everything, okay? Okay, no, you need to, okay, go to your download folder again for me, please. No, click on your download. Click on download. Download. Right. So you see the file. You see the file, that file. Right click on it for me. Yeah, right click on it. No, I say right click. Right click. Okay. Yeah, right click and extract all. Okay. Okay, click on extract. Okay, then double click on the index. Okay, still kind of looking the same anyway. So we can improve it next week, right? So yeah, so that it's a great start anyway. So scroll up for me, please. Can you click on the home, on the about? Click on the about. Click on about first. Yeah, I think it's linked anyway. So well done. Yeah, but what we're going to do, we then improve it next week, okay? All right. So you got the website, but we need to then expand it, make sure that it's beautiful. Okay, for those guys, yeah. Okay, well done, yeah. Okay. All right. So Adesire, please. Okay, Adesire.
Hello.
Yeah.
My thing is not working. The
Okay,
cloud.
do you want to share your screen? Do you want to share your screen?
Okay.
Sorry, please. Can I
Okay.
speak?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Talk to me.
we actually he was actually using a phone, and I think we are finding it very difficult because our sister is using the system, the
Okay,
PC.
you won't be able to get the best experience from phone. Okay.
All right, that's
Yeah,
fine.
you need a laptop because the file needs to be downloaded. You open it, yeah. So
Okay,
that
we're already able to get it with Adi Durura,
yeah.
which is fine. Then we can
Okay.
cut from that.
Okay, yeah, she can use the other one, yeah.
All right, that's fine.
All right, cool.
Thank you
Okay,
very much.
no problem. Organetega, please.
So can I share my screen now?
Yeah, please, yeah. So after Fazan, that will be all. So then we'll leave. Okay. Esther.
Yes, it's the same. Yes, it's the same person.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. All right. So you need to download. Have you downloaded?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go to your download folder for me. You need to share the whole screen. Okay. I don't think you are sharing the whole screen. Okay. can you go to your download folder for me? Okay. You need to stop sharing and share the whole screen. Share the whole screen, screen one, not the application. Okay. Stop sharing and share the whole screen.